Good morning, second graders. It's me, Puppy. I'm excited to be here with everybody today. I think first thing we're gonna do is how many of you did the decoder activity and were able to figure out the secret message? Did anybody figure it out for their homework? I hope you did, because we're gonna show you the answer in a second. Let me get Mrs. Erica, okay? Hang on. Good morning, everybody. Yes, Puppy's right. If you remember last week, we did the decoder activity and we learned about the binary alphabet, and you were supposed to figure out the secret message. And hopefully everybody figured out it says code is fun, right? So you had to go and check here, match it up with the letter up here that it belongs to. Like this, we knew this was C, and solve the little message. Code is fun. So hopefully everybody had fun with that. And this week, what we're doing is we are getting into lesson 10. So we're skipping lesson 9 and we're going right into lesson 10 of our coding. For all of our Star Wars fans, this will be with Ray and BB-8. So we'll be doing some coding with Star Wars. So hopefully that'll be fun for you guys. Hopefully everybody is caught up. I know there were still, I think, 2 students that never signed into their code.org account. So I really don't know what's going on, but you guys are going into 3rd grade. So you should be able to know how to be assertive. Even if your parent doesn't remind you, you should be able to go home and say, I need to go in my code.org and I need to do my coding. So we're going to go through together and then you guys will be able to go home and give it a try at your home device. Okay, so let's watch this video really quick. I'm going to shut my video and put this on for you guys. And this is Programming with Ray and BB-8.
Ray needs BB-8's help. In these puzzles, you will program BB-8 using the move and turn blocks from the toolbox. BB-8 needs to pick up each piece of scrap metal to finish the puzzle. First, work to find a path for BB-8 that covers all the pieces of scrap metal. Then write the program in your workspace to move BB-8 on that path. You don't need a special command to pick up scrap metal. BB-8 will collect it just by moving over the top. Now let's get rolling.
All right, you guys ready? So I'm going to press the continue button and then we're going to go on to our first level here. So remember the instructions are at the top. It says, go get the scrap metal, BB-8. Use 5 of the same blocks to get scrap metal. Scrap metal glows like this. So what direction does BB-8 need to go in? I think we have to move BB-8 forward to get all the scrap metal. Yeah. So they said to use 5 of the same blocks because we know we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going move forward 5 times. Yay! Great job. What do you think will happen when you click run? So this one says repeat 5 times, move forward. So BB-8 will move forward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So BB-8 will not move. That's not the answer. BB-8 will move only 1 space. Not the answer. BB-8 will move 5 times and get all the scrap metal. Yes, that's what'll happen. BB-8. Great job, BB-8. Okay, let's watch this video about loops.
This is a repeat block. The code inside a repeat block will repeat or loop as many times as you'd like. In puzzles with BB-8, code looks like this works exactly the same as code like this. When you see the same block repeated over and over many times in a row, like this, that is a clue that you can make your code shorter by moving the repeated section into a repeated block. Now let's give it a try.
right, so let's give it a try now. So let's see our next level. Now we're going to try to use the repeat block, right? So in this case, we know we're moving forward. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we take our repeat block, we put our move forward block in there, and then we go ahead and we run it. Oh, my mouse is acting weird. And now BB-8 will get all the scrap metal. Great job, everybody. Okay. In this puzzle, 2 repeat loops will help you get all of the scrap metal. Why do we need 2 repeat loops? What do you think, Puppy?
It looks like because we have to go one direction and then we have to turn and then we have to go another direction.
Yeah. So let's try to figure out the first. So here we are, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We're going forward. And then we're going to be turning right. And then we're going to repeat moving forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So then let's give it a try. Yay! Go, BB-8. So now let's see what BB-8 can do. So BB-8 has to move forward, but then after that, BB-8 has to turn left, right? Oh, no, turn right, actually. And then BB-8 will have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times forward, right? So watch BB-8.
Woohoo, BB-8. Great job.
Oh, great job, BB-8. Loops even work with more than one block inside. Can you loop this sequence? Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Move forward, move forward, move forward. So 3 move forwards and a turn right. How many times should we do that? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3 times. So let's change it to 3. And we could even different blocks together to make our pattern, right? Yay! Can you try to get all the scrap metal using just one loop? Try programming it all, then finding the repeating code to put in the loop. So for example, if we go move forward and then we turn right, and then we move forward. So we move forward and then we turn right, then we move forward. And then if we do that again, I wonder, move forward, then we'd have to turn left. Or we could do move forward and then we can turn right and then move forward. So I wonder, let's try to figure this out. So move forward. This is a tricky one. And then turn right and then move forward. Let's see how far that gets us. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work. That should be a left. So now here we are. So now we would have to do move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, right? So maybe this might be the pattern. Let's try and see if we try to repeat this. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to put 2 times. So we're kind of just trying it out. We know. Oh, maybe we have to do it 3 times? I don't know, maybe. Let's see. Woohoo! We did it! Great job.
You guys are awesome.
This is a challenge puzzle. Oh my goodness. Look how much scrap metal we have to get. How in the world are we going to do this? Well, let's see. We could move forward and then we could turn left and then we could move forward and then we could turn right and then we could move. Let's try. Let's say so. Move forward and then we'll be over here. And then we would need to turn left. And then we would move forward. So now let's Then we would need to turn right again. And then we would move forward. So I'm just testing out the steps. Then we would need to, turn left and then move forward, let's say. So we're just gonna try to figure out a pattern and then we can. And then we need to turn right and move forward. So we really are just following this pattern here. So how many times do we have this already? We have move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. So let's reset. So we're gonna do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I think. So let's try and repeat this 5 times. And then let's see how far it gets us. Uh-oh, we forgot some. So I don't think that's actually gonna work. So maybe we have to think of something else. So let's start over again. Let's take out move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Let's take this all out. Now, we need to somehow get back in that direction. So we need to turn left. And then we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So let's try it out and see what happens. This is a hard. Oh, no. We forgot. We need to add another turn left because he wasn't completely around. Yay! Great job. That was a hard puzzle. If you need to skip it, you can skip it. Don't worry about it. Use what you have learned to pick up all the scrap metal. So we see there's scrap metal here, 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 and here. So we're kind of going around kind of like a square shape. So we know that we're going to move forward. So we're moving forward 2 times. And then we're going to be turning right. And then we're going to move forward. So we're going to move forward 3 times. And then we're going to turn right again because we're kind of going around in a square. And then we're move forward 1, 2, 3, 4 times we're moving forward. So this is really where we could probably use our repeat blocks because we could do a repeat block and we could make this be 2 instead of having 2 blocks. And then we could do another repeat block because you see how there's 3 move forwards over here. So we could do a repeat block and put it for 3 times. So we're just looking for patterns, how to make the code shorter. And then for this one, we know it was going to be 4 times. So we could put it as 4. And then once we're over here, we know we're going to turn right again. And then we're going to move forward 1 time because we just have 1 more. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Yay, we got it all. We used all the repeat blocks. Yay. So again, don't worry. I know this can be hard. It can be tricky. No big deal. You guys just try the best you can. If you can't figure it out, you can just put what you think is right and then just move to the next level. It's not a big deal, guys. I know this can be challenging and we're not really together. So I completely understand. As long as you're just trying it, that's really all that you have to do. Okay, so let's try to do this again. So now we know we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3 times. So let's use our repeat block. And then we know we're going to turn right. And then we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3 times. So we're doing that again. So we actually might have a pattern. So let's see where we are now. Okay, and then we know now. So let's reset. So we went there, we turned right, we went there. And now we have to turn, I think, left. And then we have to move forward 1, 2, 3 times. So we just keep using the repeat block instead of having to put all those move forward blocks. And then here we know we're going to turn right. And then let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3 times of moving forward. So let's put 3 in there. And then let's run it. Yay, it worked. Great job. Okay, level 13 says, look closely at the code. What will happen when you click run? So let's try to figure it out. Repeat 2 times, move forward. Move forward, move forward. So now he'll be over here. And then he's going to turn left and then move forward 3 times. And then he's going to turn right. BB-8 will travel too far in the first loop. BB-8 will not travel far enough in the first loop to get all the scrap metal. Yeah, I think that's what it is, because he doesn't go far. Yeah, that's it. He doesn't travel far enough in the first loop. Okay, here's the last one. You're almost there. This time we can choose any path we like. So let's maybe go this way. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times of moving forward. And then let's see, we're going to have to turn right. And then we're going to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 times of going forward. And then we should get to our piece of scrap metal. So let's see. Yay! Great job, second graders. Excellent work. I know this was a challenging level, but you guys were able to do it. You're going to figure it out. You're going to use your repeat blocks, and you guys are going to learn because you're so smart, right? And you're going to use your brain to really, really think about how to be able to do all of the code, right? So have fun with this. Remember, if you get stuck, don't worry about it. No big deal. Just try your best and keep moving through the levels. And so it's just lesson 10 this week. And if you need to catch up, you can always catch up on the other levels too. All right? Okay, guys, so have fun, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. We miss you. We love you.